Good morning. Today I will explain the projection of solid. Here the object is a square pyramid. Okay. So here the object is a square pyramid and the dimensions are given 30 mm and height is 60 mm. Rest with one of its base edges on horizontal plane. Then the axis of the pyramid makes an angle of 50 degree with horizontal plane. So draw its projections. So first I will show the vertical plane and horizontal plane. So this is the horizontal plane, okay, and this is the vertical plane. Then this intersection is called a XY line. So here you can see the square pyramid is in horizontal plane. Okay, so I will show the apex. Okay, so you can see this is the square pyramid and this square pyramid is in HP. Okay, then you tilt this object to right side. You have to tilt this object to right side or left side. You can tilt either to right side or left side. Okay, and the inclination is actually the inclination is 50 degree. So you can tilt this object to either right side or left side. Okay, so either right side or left side, 50 degree, both are correct. Okay, so here I am tilting this object to the right side. So here I am tilting this object to the right side at an angle of 50 degree. Okay, so this is the top view direction. When you look from the top, you can see the square. So you draw the first top view. So this is the first top view. Okay, so you have to draw the first top view. So the top view is actually a square, so you have to draw the square of dimension 30 mm. Then you have to see, this is the front view direction. This is the front view direction. So front view is actually a triangle, so you have to draw this triangle. So this is the first front view. This is the first front view. Okay, so you have to draw the top view. First top view, it's a square, then project it and draw the first front view. It's a triangle. It's a triangle of height 60 mm. So this, you can see the height of the triangle is 60 mm. Then you have to tilt this object to right side. So here I am tilting this object to right side, RIGHT. So here I am tilting this object to right side. Here I am tilting this object to right side through an angle of 50 degree. Okay, then you have to draw this triangle similar to this dimension. Then you have to project this, the second, this is the second front view. Then project from here this first top view, project from here, then mark the intersecting points. Okay, then draw the outer lines, draw the outer points. Then you have to complete the visible edges or invisible edges. So here you can see C1, B1. This edge is actually represented dotted line. That means this is the top view direction. When you look from the top, when you look from the top, you can't see this edge, and the name of this edge is BC. So that's why B1 C1 is actually invisible. So this is the final top view. Okay, so once again I will tell you. So first you have to draw the square with the dimension 30 mm. Then you have to project it and draw the front view. So front view is actually a triangle. Then you have to tilt this object such that this inclination is 50 degree. Then project this figure and project this figure. You will get the final top view.